This woodpecker just came and landed in the swamp nest. And that thing is just swarming. I think they screwed off when he got there. Well, there's still some around. Can you hear them? There's a slight buzz. See if you can see them maybe. They're around, all around. I don't know what they're doing to that bark. I've never seen I've seen it before. I didn't know what it was from. Now I understand. It's from wasps. Very interesting. This is in Brown's Yard, an hour north of Moncton, New Brunswick, Canada. A fine middle of July day. 24 degrees maybe, Celsius. Well, of course, not going to be Fahrenheit. Yeah, they don't seem to be bothering him. But if I went and pecked on that, they'd be all over me. I wonder if he'll let me get closer without flying away. I think he does not. Oh. He does feel threatened.